In this example, we will show you how to use XenoGuard to perform geolocalization for multiple IP addresses using the REST API. The IP addresses are stored in an Excel spreadsheet. We would like to determine the country, region, city, and GPS coordinates for the IP addresses, then save them in the same Excel file. First, we start the script and inspect the results. All the expected data has been entered in the Excel spreadsheet. Let's take a look at the implementation with XenoGuard. We set a breakpoint at the end of the script so we can observe the results. First, the Excel file is read with the action step Excel get data. The action step for each then iterates through the Excel spreadsheet. For each lists all columns with a name and value for every row. For geolocalization, we use script start to run a child script. The URL of the localization service is stored here. The REST call is made in line 16 of the child script and the result is returned as a JSON string. XenoGuard splits the results and creates a tree view from the data. You can observe all the results immediately. The data can be stored in a result parameter for later use. In the parent script, you can see the results below the ActionScript results node. We can access this data and conveniently save it in the Excel spreadsheet. The Excel update data action step directly references the result list from the child script and writes this data straight into our Excel file. That's all. XenoGuard is probably the best desktop automation solution available at the moment. Get inspired. Please have a look at the other sample videos and tutorials. Good luck and see you soon. Thank you for your interest. I hope the video helped you. If you have any questions about the product, feel free to contact us. We'll be very glad to help you.